How to make or create an Oculus account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can create or register an Oculus account. In order to create or register your Oculus account, first of all, open up any web browser and then on the search box type in www.oculus.setup. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. After that, you'll be taken to the official site, and in the top right corner, click on the profile icon. So then you'll be taken to the sign up or login interface. If you already have an account, click on login button in the bottom right corner of your screen. And if you don't have an account, then you can sign up with Facebook, sign up with email, or set up an account with an email. So select any of these following options, whichever is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm just gonna go with set up with email. So then you need to select whether you have a VR app or if you don't have. Click on the option and then you'll need to enter in the email that you want to connect it to your Oculus account. After you're done entering your email address, click on next, which is right at the bottom. And then you need to enter in your personal information, including your first name and the last name. And you'll be asked to enter in the date of birth in order to verify your age. Since you're creating an account, you also need to create a password. So once you type in the password or create a password, click on next, which is right at the bottom. And on the last interface, you'll be asked to review all of the information provided. If you're sure about it, go and mark on this terms and conditions right at the bottom. Scroll down right to the bottom, and in case you want to make changes with any of your information, then click on back and you can make changes with your account information. But then if you're sure about it, then click on create account in the bottom right corner of your screen. So now once again, in order to verify your email address, you need to enter in the confirmation code that will be sent to an email that you've provided while creating your account. And as you can see that I've received a confirmation code, and you need to paste in the confirmation code on the field and click on continue. So after that, you'll be asked to create a username. So then create a username, and once you're done creating the username, click on next, and then you've successfully created an account, so click on next. So click on finish, which will be the last interface of creating your account, and then you've successfully created or registered into an Oculus account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.